Bye. Okay, so I was so bored that I taped my face. Like this. And hold on, it's reflecting. I taped my face shut. Obviously I can still breathe, it's like a mask to me. So I'm going to take a picture and then I'm going to unveil the ugliness. Oh god, my head. There was not enough storage to take a photo, meaning I had to take it on Instagram. Yay! Everybody can see me! Hold on. I'm going to do that, and then I'll take the mask off, which doesn't take very long because I'm already on Instagram. No, I don't know if you guys can even understand what I'm saying. It's gonna be down in the description of what I'm saying. Yeah. And, that's the picture. Okay. Put that right there. So, let's just get this off without killing myself. My hair is stuck in here. Alright, let's do this. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. Ah. So, there goes my skin. Huh. That hurt. That's my mask. So now I have a face mask. Or if anything important comes up, and this actually looks really wrong. We're gonna put it right here. So yeah, that's my mask. Hope you guys enjoyed.